The relationship between WEB and wärtsilä actually started in 1997 when we were engaged to deliver a black start / beacon unit here at Balashi. That unit went into service in 1998. And that was followed in 2016 and 2017 by 2 times 24 megawatt plants, actually in quick succession, 2006 and 2007. And then in 2011, we built the 44 megawatt RECIP plant. So that's a marriage of almost 23 years. The world is changing. And WEB, like a lot of global utilities, are gravitating towards 100% renewable energy generation. Today, almost 20% of all energy production globally comes from renewable sources. That's an incredible statistic. And hence the reason several years ago, wärtsilä made a strategic decision to be an enabler to the path for 100% renewable generation. With WEB's strategy of pursuing the addition of more and more renewable generation, and without a doubt, this project exemplifies this strategy. And I'll tell you why. The generating units in this new plant can start, load, and stop quickly with good performance on both full load and part load. All very important when you have significant amounts of renewables on your system, especially wind and solar. And this we call operational flexibility. The plant is also a multi-fuel plant, being able to operate on natural gas, light fuel oil, and heavy fuel oil. And that we call fuel flexibility.